Dog owners love spoiling their pups with treats and toys, but one dog owner has gone above and beyond. He created a whole playground for his dogs. Aaron Franks lives in Pennsylvania with his 4 rescue dogs, Tessa, Bruno, Cooper, and Mia. 2 years ago, Franks decided that he wanted to build a play area for his precious pups. Franks doesn't have any prior building experience, but through sheer hard work and dedication, he was able to create an epic playground. The playground is 3 stories tall and has a pirate-themed pool, running water, rope swings, and cushions for the dogs to lounge on. All 4 of Frank's dogs love the playground. The 2 older dogs enjoy relaxing next to the pool, the 2 younger dogs love running around and swinging on the rope swings, and playtime doesn't stop when it gets dark. At night, the structure lights up. On Facebook, people shared how impressed they are with Frank's creation. Franks loves his dogs more than anything, and he would clearly do anything for them. Tessa, Bruno, Cooper, and Mia are 4 lucky pups.